Hello everyone, this is Dharmendra Sharma. Today in hockey we will see important tournament, personalities and venues. Important tournament like Olympic Games, World Cup Championship, Aljan Shah Cup, Indira Gandhi Gold Cup, Surjit Singh Memorial Trophy, Gurmeet Singh Memorial Hockey Tournament, All India Chhatrapati Shivaji Hockey Tournament, Champion Trophy, Aga Khan Cup. These all important tournaments. Here you can learn 5 or 6 names. Then important venues. Venues means where the matches take place. Major Dhyan Chand National Stadium, Delhi, Shivaji Stadium, Delhi, Surjit Singh Stadium, Jalandhar, Railway Stadium or Dhyan Chand Stadium, Gwalior, NIS Patiala, Sports Authority of India Hockey Stadium, Chandigarh, Nehru Sports Complex, Chennai. Here the maximum names are there. You can learn easy 5 venues. Then we have a list of Arjun Award winner. Here 100 plus names are there. You can learn any 5 or 6 names from Arjun Award winner. Then we have a list of Padam Shri Award winner. Here you can also learn 5 or 6 names. Dhyan Chand Award winner. Here also you can learn 5 or 6 names. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award winner Dhanraj Pillai. Dronacharya Award winner. Here also you can learn 5 or 6 names enough. Then we have a short answer type questions. In this, all the terminologies are there. The terminologies are given in your hockey game. You can learn from all the terminology. The next is explain the history of hockey. Which place is known as the Mecca of Indian hockey? The history, date and year, it is given when you start hockey. In the history, all the dates and years given. The place which is known as Mecca, that is Sansarpur in Punjab near Jalandhar. Why it is known as Mecca? Because this place, this Sansarpur place produce 14 Olympic level player. So that's why this place is known as Mecca. Explain the term manufacturer fault for stick. Give the dimension of the goal post. This answer you may find 124 page. And regarding dimension of goal post, tips to remember 123 page you can learn. What are the dimension of hockey playing field? That answer is page number 121. Explain shooting circle and name the various lines of hockey playing field. This answer you may find page number 126, where about fouls in shooting circle it is given. That is enough, that is sufficient information about shooting circle. The lines about hockey playing field you may find 121 page. What is the difference between push and hit when a 16-yard hit is given? This answer is on page number 125. And when a 60-yard hit is given, this answer you may find 128 page. How is the penalty corner and penalty stroke taken? Explain its procedure. The answer is 126 page and 127 page. Mention the playing position in hockey. What is the role of the sweeper? Here we have another diagram where you can see the position of the player. See, in the center forward player, inner right wing, left wing. Then we have a center half, left half, right half. Then we have right full back, left full back, and the back is main defender is goalkeeper. So you can see this diagram and you may take the screenshot also, and you can take the help of net also, where you can find the actual position of the hockey player. Then we have another question. When is goal score in hockey? How the game restart after goal? The goal score in hockey, when the ball passes to the goal line under the crossbar and there is no violation, that time goal is scored and the game restart after the goal from the center. What will be the referee decision if the player is injured during the match? During the match, if the player injured, the referee only permitted to stop the match. After some time, if the player recover, then match restart. If the injury is serious like a head injury and if fracture, in that case, referee ask immediately to substitute the player. When does situation of sudden death occur? How it is proceed? As you know, when the score is tie, after extra time also, then sudden death methods occur. List down the protective guards used by the player and a goalkeeper in hockey. The protective guard used by the player like shin guard, sport shoes, hockey stick, jersey, shorts, headgear, all these equipment wear by the hockey player, and goalkeeper it is given in the picture also. He wear a helmet, face protector, throat protector, arm protector, abdomen kicker, many equipments so that he can cover all the body parts. What decision will be given by the referee if the ball touches the foot of the defending player in the shooting circle? In this case, referee immediately gives the penalty corner. Explain any 6 fundamental skills involved in the game of hockey, page number 129 to 130. Mention 3 instances when the referee blows the whistle during the course of the match. When the half time over, when the goal is, and when any type of violation, that time referee blows the whistle. There are different types of situation where referee has to blow the whistle, but mainly you can learn about starting of the match, when the half time over, when any violation is there, that time referee blow the whistle. How the referee indicates or gives signal for goal scoring, free hit and obstruction. You may all the signals in the page number 129. State 6 responsibilities of a referee, that page number 128. What equipments are carried by the referee, page number 129. Question number 19. What is the duration of game for men and women players of hockey? For men it is 35 minutes to half and for women 30 minutes to half. Explain the term corner push, page number 130. What is an advantage in the game of hockey? That page number 124 you may get the answer. Question number 22. What will be the referee decision if a player entered the field before completion of a 5-minute suspension and a goal is scored by his and her team simultaneously during the match? In this case, what happen if the player is already suspended from the game? It means the referee has shown him yellow card and he again makes the any type of breaking the rule. In this case, the referee immediately shown him to the red card, and whatever goal is scored, that goal is not counted. Give 2 instances when the ball is declared out of play in the game of hockey. When the ball is went off from the end line, from the sidelines, after the goal, In that case, the ball is declared out of play. What decision will be referee take if the ball is hit outside the backline intentionally by the defender? In this case, most probably penalty corner is awarded to the opponent team. List 6 basic equipments worn by the hockey goalkeeper. You can find the answer 123 page. Mention the procedure followed by taking penalty stroke 127 page number. You may get the right answer. Here children, we finished our hockey game. In my next video, we will start football. Till the time, take care. Thank you very much.